Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a first look at the Nanoleaf Skylight. And they're really kind of cool panels that you put on your ceiling. It's a ceiling light, and you can put multiple together to make a really big bright light up on your ceiling. And Nanoleaf sent us these for the review. So this box here is the master box. It comes with a panel, this one here, that allows you to hook up to the power like normally you would hook up a light fixture. And then you can buy additional panels as well to make it even larger. So we've got the 3 from this box, the 1 from this box to hook up. What comes in the box is a master panel. This is what this one here is. And you just basically hook the wiring up to this. And then it comes with, and it's hooked up to here, plate that you hook up into the ceiling to mount the thing. And then all the kind of volleys you need to be able to mount it to the ceiling. The wire nuts to hook up the power, cables to go between panels when you go from one panel to another. A bunch of other screws to hook things up in case you're not using the mollies. Oh, and most important, a really big instruction manual. So my recommendation is when you do this is to do what I've done here, which is take it apart, take a look, read the directions about 5 times, make sure you know what you're going to be doing here, because it's not exactly like hooking up a regular ceiling light. This one here, you have to hook up the ceiling light onto this panel here. You have to hook up the wiring with this plate and the wires. But then you have to run wires between the different panels as you put them up. And you have to do a little bit of drilling in the corners, all right, in order to get these things to mount up on the ceiling. So just keep that in mind. So this is the first look of the Nanoleaf Skylight. Thank you for watching.